Hello, my name is Ok Soo-han at Cheonnam National University in Korea. I'm going to present the ODA project with VNUA as a partner university. This presentation is to introduce this project to people of VNUA, MAD, MPI for processing the PCP project concept paper and related documents in Vietnamese government. The project is entitled Enhancing Education and Research in the Faculty of Biotechnology by supporting the Department of Integrative Biotechnology and operation of the food safety and certification system in Vietnam. Modern society needs people with integrative way of thinking, and most of universities in the world strives to fulfill these social requirements by remodeling university structure. Remodeling usually includes combining several closely related departments into one integrative department. This is the structure of Faculty of Biotechnology. It consists of 5 departments: biology, microbial biotechnology, plant biotechnology, animal biotechnology, and molecular biology and applied biotechnology. This shows the typical segmented structure of departments in the faculty. This is the structure of composition of Faculty of Biotechnology: faculties, students, and staff members. The distribution of students among 5 departments indicates that there is a large difference in the preference of students among 5 departments. Biotechnology is an attractive field, and the Faculty of Biotechnology is one of the most important faculty of VNUA because it will play a major role for the future of Vietnam. I know all members of the Faculty of Biotechnology have done their job so well. However, some external assistance for triggering would speed up the revolutionary improvement process of the Faculty of Biotechnology. For this purpose, the ODA project provides perfect chance to get financial help and consulting for structural reorganization. It is the right time to start remodeling of Faculty of Biotechnology to restructuring departments. I believe establishment of a Department of Integrative Biotechnology covering several departments is a nice idea and challenging project for remarkable development of not only Faculty of Biotechnology but also VNUA. This shows diagnostic analysis on the integrative biotechnology field of Vietnam. VNUA is the only national university of agriculture in Vietnam and should play a role as a pioneer for agricultural biotechnology. Faculty of Biotechnology of VNUA contains core departments of agricultural biotechnology and should actively participate to improve education of sustainable biotechnology, faculty research activity, and local cooperation with farmers. As mentioned in the previous slide, major problems to solve can be summarized as lack of government support, lack of human resources, insufficient R&D infrastructure, and lack of communication with farmers. How can we solve these problems? Here is the vision for VNUA. The ODA project can provide financial assistance and consulting to build infrastructure for solving this kind of problems by reinforcing educational capacity, improvement of R&D capabilities, providing quality management system of agricultural products. In order to solve these problems, we need to invest. The ODA project proposes solutions to accomplish this vision. For competencies of education and R&D ability, CNU can help to establish Department of Integrative Biotechnology with remodeling of Faculty of Biotechnology, and improve learning environments, provide program for training faculty members, provide R&D infrastructures. For local cooperation with the regional program, CNU can provide training program for certification inspectors and providing manual for certification. Here is the detailed strategy to accomplish it. For education reinforcement with global competitiveness, training, degree acquisition program will be run. Creating a smart educational environment by improving classrooms and labs. Learning, exchange, and mutual visit programs for faculty members and students. Modern lab equipment such as RT-PCR, LC-MS will be provided for R&D. Food certification system will be established, and the organic or GAP certification agency will be opened. Most importantly, all these things will be discussed in the steering committee for remodeling of Faculty of Biotechnology, and the opinion of the steering committee will be respected for the final decision. In order to proceed this project, CNU already developed a project team with the necessary resources as shown in this figure. Here is the Department of Molecular Biotech, College of Agriculture and Life Sciences, CNU Certification Center, several international centers located in Gwangju are involved as a consortium. And the Vietnamese Student Association in Korea will be also important for student exchange. This diagram shows the relationship of a network between CNU and VNUA. We need active participation of VNUA in this project, and ask great help from President Yen Thailand, Dean of the Faculty of Biotechnology Yen Xuan Khan, with the full support of Head of International Cooperation Office Yen Viet Long. This summarizes 3 programs of Department of Integrative Biotech, R&D, and Food Certification and Safety programs. Educational program of Department of Integrative Biotech includes providing textbooks, providing educational facilities, lab work, GKS scholarship program, and exchange programs. R&D in Integrative Biotech program includes providing research facilities, setting up collaboration projects between CNU and VNUA. Food certification and safety program involves training organic certification and running pesticide analysis center. This is the flowchart of the current curriculum and can be summarized as next slide. We have a plan to open several new courses to cover integrative biotechnology and the certification business. First, 4 new credits in C1 foundation courses and 15 credits in C2 specialized course. Of course, the steering committee will make final decisions on the curriculum of the Department of Integrative Biotechnology. So far, I briefly introduced outlines of the project. However, my explanation may not be enough for complete understanding the program in the project. Thus, I am going to provide project design matrix, so-called PDM, for 3 programs. PDM clearly shows for each program activities, outputs, outcome, and impact, which will make you understood clearly. This is the PDM for Educational Competency Program. Narrative summary of activity, output, outcome follows. For activities of operation of the steering committee for remodeling, outputs would be establishment of a Department of Integrative Biotechnology, and outcomes will be the development of human resources in integrative biotechnology. The OBI, Objective Verifiable Indicator, for these activities will be academic structure of VNUA, class attendance rate, frequency of use of facility. The OBI for outcomes will be registration for graduate degree programs. This OBI can be verified by statistical data on graduate school entrance rate, official document from MAD on establishment of Department of Integrative Biotechnology. The input budget will be $1 million for education. The precondition for this is the available space for the Department of Integrative Biotechnology from VNUA. Narrative summary for research competency program is following. For purchasing laboratory equipments and facilities are outputs, and the VNUA can have improved R&D ability and achievements as an outcome. Frequency of use for facility will be output, and publication and presentation will be outcomes. Will be OBI for the outcomes. This can be verified by the logbook of facility and the records of publication and presentation in the conference. The input budget will be $0.6 million for R&D, and the precondition is also available space for the lab. In the establishment of food certification and safety system, for activities of preparation of a textbook and manual for certification, the output will be trained organic inspector, and the outcome will be operation of a food certification center. The OBI will be accreditation certificate for organic certification, and the translated textbook for outputs, and this can be verified by issuance of organic certificates to farmers. The input budget is $0.6 million. The available space for the certification center is the precondition. Detailed budget is shown. Total expense for this ODA project is $2.1 million. If everything goes in the right track for 7 years, Department of Integrative Biotechnology will constantly supply faculty members and the professors will give educational competency back to the department. The department can supply the experts in sustainable biotechnology as farmers who will feedback the information regarding the field. The student can get a higher quality of education from the department. Therefore, the Department of Integrative Biotechnology will be a center for network with professor as a supplier, farmer as a producer, student as a consumer. The well coordination of these three axes of the department will be beneficial not only for Faculty of Biotechnology and VNUA, but also for CNU. In order for all these things to happen, the PCP needs to be processed promptly. Please provide information on this project to government officials in MART and MPI, and try to persuade them this project is highly and mutually beneficial for two countries and VNUA and CNU. Thank you.